The bead tree's looking very festive right now. Mardi Gras is definitely in full swing. You're looking good, bead tree. Hey everyone, welcome to Islands of Adventure. Today we are finally giving you another update on the Jurassic Coaster, and I've been hearing that we have gone vertical. There is now track in place, and I'm excited to see it. So let's get in and see what's going on. So we're in the park, and it was literally no wait at the entrance. Like literally there was, I'm not even exaggerating, there's no one there. We just walked in. So I'm hoping it's a quiet day. I'll let you know. It seems like, of course, Hagrid's is a fairly long wait, which it always is. But hopefully the rest of them won't be too bad. We'll check the wait time board in just a second. But first, let's see what the landscape looks like with the new Jurassic Coaster. Right off the bat, you can see that they are doing a lot of work on the left-hand side of the Discovery Center. They've got a lot of theming up already, and right over there to the left side, over by that tall crane, is where the first pieces of track are going in right now, which is supposed to be the big launch of the roller coaster. Of course, later in the video, I'll show you up-close shots, but man, it's starting to really move on right now. So as you can see, it is kind of busy today, but it's not that bad. 30, 45 minutes for things. It's a lot better than it usually is. So I'm taking it as a win for today. But yeah, let's go ride Hulk, Spider-Man, and then see what the Jurassic Park Coaster has in store for us today. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? They say Spider-Man's still open, but interesting. Yeah, so Spider-Man, the entrance is all blocked off, but just over here to the side is how you get on the ride. Right now it's a 45-minute wait, so we will be back. Yo, that dude is in a full mask and scuba tank. This lake is so like artificially blue. Can that dude even see anything under there? I genuinely want to know. Also, for a park that had a Jaws ride, I mean, I know it was another park. I don't know if I would necessarily trust the water. Looks like they're finally raising the barricades out of the water to, basically they had to dam the water so that they could put these footers in. And it looks like now that the footers are in, they're finally taking out the barricades and letting the water back in. It's exciting. That means that the footers are almost done and the track is really about to start going into place for more than just the launch section. I'm really excited, especially for this area that you're seeing right here. The track is supposed to go right over the water, like literally feet, just feet above the water. It's going to be some really cool elements that it does right here. So I'm really excited to see the track going in for this spot specifically. Progress is happening and I'm so pumped. Just across the lagoon, you can see that the work on the viewing area is actually coming along really well, which is exciting. I feel like the more vista points that you can have in this park, the better, because this is a gorgeous park. So as soon as that's open, wow, I am pumped. This park's going to look even better. If you come up top of the Maship Me Olive, you can actually spray people for free. As per usual for this time of year, Ripsaw Falls is down, which means that work walls are up, unfortunately, but it is true. So every now and then they have to bring materials in and out of the Jurassic Park construction area, and that's exactly what's happening right now. So they've blocked off the walk area so that these vehicles can come through. As you can see, it's very exciting stuff. That's sarcasm, by the way. Kong is sitting at a 65-minute wait right now. I think we'll come back to this one.
Attention! Will Dan please meet his daughters Reese and Story at the entrance of Camp Jurassic under the green umbrella? Once again, will Dan please meet his children Reese and Story under the giant green umbrella at the entrance of Tyrannosaurus?
So I know that like it was kind of hard to see what was going on there, but I tried to get in line for Pteranodon flyers. Of course, you're not allowed to get on if you're, you know, over a certain height, but I asked if I could just like walk through the line, get some photos. They let me, so thank you. I think your name was Mike, I'm not too sure, but you up at the front of the line, thank you so much for letting us in. I think the biggest takeaway, even though it might have been hard to see it on camera, it was a lot easier to see it in person, but they have dug a hole for this coaster. Like, I'm serious, like a 30, maybe even 40-foot deep hole where the Triceratops encounter used to be. So my big question is the spaghetti bowl section of the ride that's supposed to be over in this section of the park. Are they trying to hide it by putting it really deep, like not necessarily underground, but like they dug a hole, so kind of underground? Like maybe, here's a wild speculation, maybe that spaghetti bowl section of the ride is going to be an indoor portion of the coaster. Let me know your thoughts down below if you think that that's a possibility, but it just seems very strange to me that they dug a massive hole for a coaster. I don't know, possibilities of what's happening there. Maybe it's just so it's easier to maintain from underneath or something, I don't know. But a large hole in a spaghetti bowl section of the ride, maybe it's so they can better hide the ride. Possible indoor section, question mark? Let me know your thoughts. So we are right across from the River Adventure, and right over here next to Pizza Predatoria is where the Raptor encounter is going to be going, and you can hear there's a lot of construction going on. So hopefully we start seeing some more like vertical construction going on over there. But over here by the coaster, man, these cranes are towering. They're absolutely massive, and they are hard at work. They keep on moving around, lifting things up, putting things down, as they do. It's like a Planet Fitness commercial over here. So we're over here in Jurassic Park, right next to Hogwarts, as you can see. And right down here is, it's still technically rumored, but we know pretty much, it's almost fact, that this is where the new lockers for the Forbidden Journey are going. So we've got a lot of construction going on right here too. I guess they just figured, hey, if Jurassic Park is going under construction, let's get it all out of the way right now. I don't know. But it seems like a lot of progress is being made, because you can see that some of the supports for the walls are already going up. So the fact that we are already vertical on this is good. I think the faster that they can get this project out of the way, the better, honestly. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on this one too. But yes, this is where the new lockers for the Forbidden Journey are going. Soon, the days of that horrible locker system that they currently have will be over, and I am looking forward to that. Wow, they're finally playing the Jurassic Park theme song again. They had, I don't know why, but they changed the soundtrack for so long, and I was like, guys, I know that there's a lot of construction going on, but like, you gotta at least still play the Jurassic Park theme song, or it's not gonna feel like Jurassic Park. And I guess they heard the guest feedback and they put Jurassic Park theme song back. And I'm so down for it. I'm here for this Jurassic Park music. Unfortunately, the overpass walkway is closed, but we got some crane action going on. I feel like this construction update is slowly turning into a Sesame Street video, where it's like, count them, 1, 2, 3. You know, like the cranes just keep going. There's like 4, and there's like 2 or 3 over here too that you can't see right now. Ridiculous. So again, when we were over in Camp Jurassic, right there where the camera is pointed now, right over there where you're seeing the big concrete wall, that's where that massive hole is being dug right now. All these backhoes and everything are currently making trips back and forth to dig that massive hole. So I know it's hard to see from this angle, so hopefully those clips came out decently. But yeah, that was just a huge surprise for me personally because I couldn't see that from over here. And those concrete walls that you're seeing is actually the launch tunnel for where the big major launch is going to be for this ride. So I'm wondering if you have that spaghetti bowl portion, kind of like where that hole is being dug, and then as soon as you're done with that portion, it lines up perfectly with this tunnel and you come shooting out the front. So I know it's hard to see right now, but right where this big yellow crane is, it's kind of blocking the view. You would be able to normally see inside of the launch tunnel. And right inside that launch tunnel, they've started putting support track in place. So the track itself isn't quite in yet, but the supports for the track are going in right now. So that's really exciting that we're actually starting to go vertical with the track as we speak. And they're making some major progress, but they're doing so much work that I can totally see how this will take up to 2021. So, I don't know. Hopefully we see more track going soon. It's looking pretty good for us that within maybe the next month we could see some big improvements on track placement. But yeah, right now, unfortunately, that crane is in the way. I can't really get any shots. But I will see if we can change that right now. So as you can see, the Jurassic Park construction has actually gone a very long way. I'm really excited to see the progress that they're making over the next month or two. It seems like they are really working hard. I mean, they have cranes after cranes after cranes in the air, and they have a massive crew working right now. Like, it's actually amazing. And they've been shutting down that walkway quite a bit so vehicles can move in and out, which is interesting. I've never seen a theme park do that before, but they're doing it quite a bit, which means that they're doing a lot of work, obviously. So I'm excited to see how this progresses over the next few weeks. But that's going to be it for this video. If you liked this video, dude, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. Also, if you left a like, that actually really helps this video to get out to more people. It shows YouTube that people are enjoying this video, which means more people can enjoy this content, and it actually helps me produce more content as well for you guys. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button, subscribe. You know how to do it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.